What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Big Story 05. I'm back once again. My bad, I'm stuttering. But what's good? What's up? What's up? As you can hear, see, all the just woke up. Y'all can see, man, I need a haircut super bad. But anyway, what's good, y'all boys, man? I know it's been a minute, man. I've been busy with stuff. Life's been on life and like hell, bro. But, shit, I'm gonna catch y'all up and show y'all how day night life with me, how it goes and stuff. And, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed for work. It is like, it's like 1 something in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and brush my teeth. And as you can see in the thumbnail, I got a new truck. First car, it's not a bad first car. I got a Hummer, and I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna show y'all boys. So I don't know if how I ride, cause I'm learning how to record while I drive, cause it's like 1 in the morning too, so people might be out still. But when I get to my job, well, I'm gonna make a quick stop first. So whenever I get dressed and get set, I'll come back on here and I'll record y'all. But in the meantime, y'all hang tight. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm finna head on out for work, and I see y'all guys in a minute. On game. All right, y'all. I just pulled out. Shit. I made a quick trip. Had to make a quick stop to go get me something to drink, cause like it is basically 1:45 in the morning. I need my damn energy, so I'm finna go in here and give me a Nas. I'm probably not gonna record in here. I know I can't record at work because they don't allow that shit. So when I come out, I'm gonna show y'all the truck. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm whipping on, and yeah, we're gonna go from there, man. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see y'all a little bit. On game. What's up with y'all, man? I had to go in here and get a quick Nas. Shit, I know, shit, I'm on my other camera, but damn, look at it though. That's how I'm gonna show y'all, cause my ass gotta get to work. I gotta be in work in like 10 minutes. Yeah, shit. Gonna get in this mug, head on to work, cause man, they gonna be tripping. I know I can't record in there, so I got no choice but to record here. So that's why I'm kind of recording, and I'm gonna break this up into clips, cause you know what I'm saying. Oh, y'all don't hear this bit? Hold on. I'll be quiet for this one. If I can find the damn keyhole, bro. The hell? There you go. See? Alright, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I know it's gonna be a while till I record again, but I'm gonna catch y'all later. Probably on my lunch break. I'm gonna come out here, come back in this house. And man, it's probably gonna be like 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, man, and y'all be safe out there, man. It's 1 in the morning. Y'all pray for me, because I am tripping like hell right now. I'll see y'all later, man, and gonna keep this bit going.
6.5 hours later.
Shit, what's good, y'all? Man, I just got on my lunch, man. I'm outside. Man, I'm finna go to McDonald's, give me some breakfast, bro. I'm hungry, bro. All I ate was some chips when I was on break. You see my hair is rough as hell, bro. Man, I belong in the 1970s, bro. Shit. So y'all finna get in this car, give me some breakfast. I'm probably finna give me. I heard they got this new steak and egg and cheese bagel from McDonald's. I'm finna go ahead and get that hoe. I might get an egg McMuffin too, cause I'm gonna be busting too. With a hash brown and large orange juice. Call it a breakfast, bro. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get the McDonald's. When I get in the drive-thru, I'm gonna turn this camera back on, cause I don't wanna have my phone on while I'm driving. I don't wanna get in trouble. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, man, and I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, on game.
A few inches later.
Well, I'm back. Officially just got off work. I didn't record me eating because, man, I was tearing that food up, but I'm finna go ahead and head to the barbershop, man, because, bro, I got a fro, bro. I ain't got a haircut like literally 2 months, bro. I've been so busy trying to work to get this truck. I ain't been able to go get a haircut. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and head to the shop right quick, get a chop. So head on to the house, man. I'm tired. I'm sore all over. Shoot. Yeah, but yeah, I've just been chilling lately. I know where I wondering where I've been. I've just been chilling. I've been busting my hump, trying to get a car and trying to get life together because I'm no longer in school. So I'm just trying to get my life together, figure out life. You know how it is. Been working full time, so you know how that go. Shit. I'm gonna go ahead and get to this barbershop, man, get me a cut. I'm gonna see y'all after I get a cut. If I remember to record, you know what I mean? I'll see y'all when I get back. And That's crazy. Shit, bro, man, I like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar from 1962.
Negro, please.
Shit. Yeah, bro. Go ahead and head to this shop, cause man, I need to get all this off my head, cause Lord have mercy. But I'm gonna catch y'all later when I get to this shop. I'm gonna go ahead and blast my music and head on down the road, man. Ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna go ahead and blast my music, get on down the road, man. I'm gonna see y'all a little bit, man. Shoot. This head looking too rough, man. Woo! Woo! No! What's up, y'all? Your boy just got that Fred cut, and your boy's looking mighty dapper, as I can say. Good morning, how are we?
Bruh, really?
Like, yeah, man. Your boy finna throw the Oakleys on. Hold on. Get that hit on this road, you know what I'm saying? Shoot. Your boy done got that fresh cut, boy. Boy, finna go stupid. I'm playing. I'm finna go head to the house or something, but I'm sleepy as all HE double hockey sticks, bro. So, yeah, when I get to the house, I'm gonna show y'all this truck. I'm finna go ahead and call it night, cause this ain't finna be a long vlog. I'm that tired. Work drained me so bad. It's not even funny, but I'm finna go ahead and head to the house, man, and I'll catch y'all later. I'll take a video of this truck and finna go ahead and end this vlog, man. On gang. Sitting there walking the dog and stuff, and see, look at this beauty over here, just sitting over there. Good thing. Good thing's over there, just sitting, boy. Shit. Yeah, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Just, I'm tired. I can't even speak for real. That's how tired I am. I've been up since 1 a.m. And I got off around like 10 something. So, yeah, man. You know, I'm coming back with more vlogs, and this is a shorter vlog, but I just wanted to tell you guys where I've been and show you guys my new truck, and we really fit to get Lake Mountain. Your boy, they got wheels now. So we go ahead and end this vlog, because I'm tired. You can hear it in my voice. We go ahead and end this vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all later for the vlog. More vlogs coming soon. On gang.